What's up guys, Evan back with another video. It has been a long time since I made a video, but I am now back with the how-to. I'm going to be changing out my headlights on my 350Z, so let's get to it. The first step we're going to do is take my wheel off, so let's check this out. And it's dead. Oh no, it's not even in. There we go. So once you have the wheel off, now you gotta take your fender well off. You have two 10mm screws on the bottom of your bumper. You have one of these push pins. It's gonna be right up top. You just pop that out with a flathead. And then you have one more Phillips screw right here that goes into the fender. Once you take that off, you should be able to just slide this out. Just like that. There you go. And that is your headlight. So right here is going to be where your headlight's at. So if you can read that, it says open to twist this way. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then she'll be able to just pop it right out. There we go. Now, this guy. So now you're going to just pop this out like so. And then these two pins here that you got to push in. And it should release it. And there's your bulb. So when you pull out the new headlight out of the box, you want to make sure you're not using your hands, because if you put oils on it, it actually will damage the bulb and it can actually explode it. So when you go in, just make sure to be careful. And you see these two notches up here? They're right there. You can't really see them, but they will line up perfectly. It only goes in one way, so you can't mess this up. So now be very gentle and careful and line it up. Okay, and that's it. So now that it's in, obviously it's not stable yet. You have to push these pins in. So first we'll go to this bottom one, push it up, and it's in. And then the bottom one, the top one, up and in. Now you're good to go. It's nice and stable. Now you're gonna push this back in, twist it to lock it. That's it. You're gonna wanna go ahead and put the cap back on. You just kind of line up these tabs, like so. Push it in, and then it's gonna be very tight, and it'll stop. Alright, so now that everything is buttoned up and ready to go, let's go ahead and turn these lights on and see if they work. Oh shit! There we go. Yes, my headlights are bunk. They look terrible, but at least the lights work. That's all we need in Texas, right? Alright, so as you can see at the end of the video, the headlight is still not working. We checked the bulb and the fuses and they're all fine. The only thing you come down to would be the ballast or the ballast igniter. I talked to a Nissan tech already and he agreed with me on that, so that's probably going to be the next step I take. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a fat thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will make sure to answer them for you. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.